AMC Theaters has reached a lease agreement with Chicago-based GW Properties to acquire and open AMC Evanston 12, located in the Chicago area. The theater is expected to open later this year. Formerly Evanston 18, 6 of the screens and restaurant space are being closed by GW Properties and renovated for non-theater use. AMC announced it has acquired a theater in the Chicago metropolitan area for $305 million. This will give AMC a presence in the city, which is a strong movie-going market. We look forward to bringing the AMC experience to even more guests in and around Chicagoland, at this previously high-traffic, well-known location. They continue to seek out these strategic acquisition opportunities to strengthen their company. Theaters across the United States are continuing to see success with AMC's new acquisition of AMC The Grove 14 and AMC Americana. These two theaters have helped the company achieve consistent success in the Los Angeles market, and their addition to the AMC family is only increasing their popularity.